We in the garage again. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Samantha Caudle here, and I am back with another free dance tutorial for you. Today I'm going to be teaching Mood by 24KGOLDN, and I am super excited because you guys have been asking, and this one is a beginner intermediate combo. It's also very short, so whether you're just starting on your dance journey or you're just short on time, this one is perfect for you. As always, when you are taking class with me, I have a few things that I ask of you. One of them is being super kind to yourself in this process of learning choreography. It's not easy. It's a skill set that needs to be worked on almost every day. So be patient, take your time, and just enjoy it. Number two is that you take a video and you show off what you learned with me by tagging me at Samantha Caudle 9 and posting it on Insta Stories or Instagram. I would love to see it and love to follow your dance journey with me. Number three is I want to be a part of your dance journey so much that I am doing these videos for free for you. So if you could like down below and also subscribe, turn the notifications on. I'm going to be posting these tutorials at least every week. So if you guys are ready to dance with me, let's go, let's learn Mood. All right guys, let's hop right into the combo. Know that I mirrored everything for you, so it's super easy to follow along. My right is your right, my left is your left, so when I say right, it's your right too, yeah? It's a win-win. So here we go, 5, 6, 7, we're gonna jump to the right and go 1 and. So I'm jumping right, left, my hands are coming up, they're coming down. From here, I'm stepping back on my right foot and going back and back. So I'm going back foot, front foot, back foot, front foot. And I'm like leaning, yeah? So this is 5, 6, 7, 8. This is a 1 and back. Yes. When you go to the back, you're gonna open up the arms as well. So you're here and you're gonna go back and back. So I'm opening that up. Back and back, and you should lean back and back. Good. Let's take it from the top again. 5, 6, 7, 8. This is a 1 and 2 E and. Good. We good to here? From here, we're gonna go round, back. So I'm just kind of leaning, and throwing it back with a snap to go here. So I'm back and back. I go rock, whoom. And you can kind of put your own sauce on that, however it feels good to you, but just know it goes rock, back. And the back should be a nice snap in with the elbows. So from the top, really nice and slow. Here we go, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is a jump, back and back, rock, whoom. Think like scoop, boom. I think that feels good in my arms. But if you want to spice it up, change it up, go for it. It's your class. So whoom, back. Good. One more time from the top. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. This is a 1 and 2 E and 3 and 4. He says, I ain't trying to tell you. So as he says, I ain't trying to tell you, you're going hand, and you're gonna lean. Now with that hand, lean, you're gonna step back right, left. So my right foot goes back. I ain't trying to tell you, and my left foot is crossing over. From here, I'm gonna scoop to the back with my right hand going here, Good, so, time to shoot. So we just said, I ain't trying to tell you, and I'm like shaking these hands. Whoom. From here, I'm gonna reach and grab back and scoop the air. So I'm scooping. I don't know if you guys can see what I'm doing, but I'm going scoop with the hands. So I'm going scoop and turning my body to the front to go back and back. So the same back and back that we did here, it's now going point front, point side. Point front, point side. Do this a couple times. Front, side, lean back, lean back. Good. Let's take it back. So we just did from this back and back, Woom, 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 scoop, scoop, hit. He says, I ain't trying to tell you what to do. He says, been trying to play it. Trying to play it. Good. Let's take it back from the top. Here we go. 5, 6 with lyrics. Here we go. In the mood and acting brand new. I ain't trying to tell you what to do. Been trying to play it. Good. Let's take that one more time with counts. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. This is a 1 and 2E and 3 and 4. Take it back. 5, 6, 7, 80 and. Good. Excellent, excellent, excellent. One more time from the top, just like that, medium tempo. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go a 1 and 2E and 3 and 4. Take it back. 5, 6, do. Been trying to play it. Good. Here's my favorite part. Been trying to play it. This is a nice dice roll. I don't know if you guys have seen my Instagram, but my boyfriend has been known to hit this a few times, so this one's for him. So go woom, woom. From here, you're gonna dice roll your hands and throw them out while you ball change with your left, right. You see that? Woom, woom. Dice roll, left, right. He says, been trying to play it cool. I don't know why I thought that, but that's just what came to my head because I've been TikToking. So, woom, boom, trying to play it cool. From here, I'm going, trying to play it cool. Ha, come together nice and clean, feet crispy, okay? So you just did, been trying to play it cool. You see that ball change? Been trying to play it left, right together with that left foot. Good, let's take it back just a little bit from I ain't trying to tell you. So we're here with the right foot going back. I ain't trying to tell you what to do. Point and cool. Ha. Good. One more time because I want it nice and clean and crispy. Believe it or not, we're already halfway through, if not, no, we're more than halfway through this whole combo. Today I chose to teach you guys the chorus alone because I wanted it to be beginner intermediate friendly, and also I just didn't want you to stress out over a lot of choreography. I know that in the past I've taught that and that's great and it pushes you, but this one I just wanted to take this week nice and easy for you and for me, and I feel like it's a nice cute TikTok video, it's a nice Instagram video, so that's where we're at. So we're already more than halfway through learning the combo. So if you are feeling like, don't worry, I got you. So here we go. From the top, nice and slow. Here we go. 5, 6, 7. Why you always in a mood and boom, boom, boom. Acting brand new. Take it back. I ain't trying to tell you what to do. Been trying to play it cool. Step. Good. That should feel nice and crispy. If you need that again, just go back, rewind, watch again, take your time, don't stress. I'll be here forever. Okay, here we go. So we're here. We just stepped in with the left. I'm going heel, toe. We just stepped together. I'm going right heel out. That's my right foot, yeah. My right heel out, my right toe out. And there's no hands there, so it's just whoom, whoom. From here, I'm gonna bend over and go whoom, bring it all together. Yeah, and I'm scooping these arms, so scoop. So let's take it back. You just did dice roll together, heel, toe, together. Yeah, one more time, dice roll. So we go ball change, step, heel, toe, down. From here, I'm gonna grab the air and scoop it round. Round. The arm is a nice 90-degree angle, so keep that clean and tight as I step, and I'm gonna releve it up. So I'm going around, releve. And as I releve jump, it could be a little jump, snap these arms down. So we just said dice roll, cool, step, a heel, toe, together, around, punch it up. One more time. Dice roll, we go dice roll, step, a heel, toe, together, around, bring it up. Good. Last movement, here we go. I'm gonna rock my body here. So get used to this. This should feel nice and grounded in the floor. My right foot is pressing. My body is rolling from my chest to my hips. Boom, boom. This should keep the beat of the song. Once you're here, we're not gonna stay here and do this forever, but once you're here, you're just gonna pull these up twice. So I'm just pulling up 2 fingers and reaching towards the sky. So when we come here, boom, ha, there's 2 of these. Down, down. Good. Guess what? We repeat the whole thing all over again right away with music. So it goes boom, boom. So after you go here, here you have a chance to do that whole combination again. Why you always in a mood, ha, ha, ha. That's the whole thing. You learned it. I got you this week. I told you it was short, no stress. Here we go from the top, all the way through, twice through, nice and slow and crispy. Here we go. 5, 6, 7. Why you always in a 1 and 2 E and 3 and 4. Take it back. 5, 6, 7. Been trying to play it. Dice roll. Bass, 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 down. This is 5. Punch it up 6. Bring it up 7. Here we go. Repeat. 1 and 2 E and 3, 4. Take it back. 5, 6. Around. Been trying to play it cool. Baby, I am bass, bass. Boom. This is 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job, guys. How did that feel? If you need that again, just repeat it again. I got you. Now, let's move on. Let's go medium tempo-ish, and then we shall try it with the music. Here we go. 5, 6, 7. Why you always in a 1 and 2 E and 3 and 4. Take it back. 5, 6, 7. Been trying to play it cool. Bass, 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 around. This is 5, 6, up. Here we go again. 1 and 2 E and 3, 4. Take it back. 5, 6. Boom. Been trying to play it cool. Bass, 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 down. This is 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Woo. Good job. Let's go full tempo. Full tempo is not too much faster than that, but it is a little faster. So let's go full tempo so we have it. Here we go. Woo. Last time. 5, 6, 7. Why you always in a 1 and 2 E and 3, 4. Take it back. 5, 6, 7, 80 and a 1, 2, a bass, bass, down. 5, 6. Repeat. 7. Here we go. 1 and 2 E and 3, 4. Take it back. 5, 6, 7. Been trying to play it cool. Bass, bass, bass. Woo. 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job, guys. Whew. All right, guys, so for copyright reasons, I cannot play the original song, but I was able to find a great cover for you guys. So I'm gonna link it down here, down below, but let's try it out with that cover music. Here we go. 5, 6. Walking around acting right now. I ain't tryna tell you what to do, we're tryna play it cool. Baby, I am playing by your rules. Everything look better with a view. Why you always in a mind? Fucking around acting right now. I ain't tryna tell you what to do, we're tryna play it cool. Baby, I am playing by your rules. Everything look better with a view. I could never get attached. When I start to feel unattached, somehow I was in a feeling bad. Baby, I am not your dad. Alright guys, thank you so much for taking class with me. I hope that you loved it. If you did, please let me know down below, and if there's anything you want to let me know. Also, if you haven't already, please like this video. It helps me so much, and also subscribe with the notifications on. I will see you guys in the same place for the next free dance tutorial class. Bye guys.